Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre, and today I'm going to talk about how the universe answers your prayers regarding business. First and foremost, the universe will make you realize what business idea you should work on by making you pay attention to your passion. All right, your passion can be eating, drinking, not drinking, of course, sorry, eating, dancing, whatever your passion is. Now, what do you mean by passion? Passion means something that you can do 24/7 without getting bored, without getting irritated, without getting tired. All right. So that's what I call passion. Either your friend will come and tell you that, hey, you are so passionate about this particular thing, why don't you create a business out of it? The second step the universe will do is that it will send you support in terms of money, support in terms of expertise, support in terms of people who will help you to convert your idea into a reality. Now, many people, what they do is they give up because they feel, I don't have enough money. Who is going to give so much of funds? What if my business fails? What if I don't get time to do justice to my business? And the universe takes the business idea and plants it in somebody else's mind, and those people then convert the idea into a reality and become super successful. Then what happens is you end up regretting. So do not give up on your business idea. Take baby steps to make your business idea into a reality. The third way is the indirect way of answering your prayers, in which you may be just sitting in a cafe shop and you may overhear a conversation between two people, and after overhearing the conversation, you may get an idea to do a particular business or to modify your business. Or you may be sitting in your drawing room surfing channels on your television set, and you may get an idea that, hey, I should do this particular business. The next method is the direct method, in which your own customers will come to you and tell you, hey, why don't you modify your product in this manner? Or hey, why don't you add this particular product in your business kitty? Let me give you my example. So one of my customers told me, Sheetal, why don't you start pick a card reading on your YouTube channel? I did that, and today my YouTube channel has grown like anything because of that particular suggestion. Of course, it's not compulsory that you follow all the suggestions. You should take what you resonate with or what you feel like exploring. The other way is that the universe will create blockages in your business. Yes, my friends, blockages, because it would want you to focus on the alternate paths, or it would want you to look at your business from a different perspective and innovate. Again, here, I used to take in-person workshops, but because of COVID-19, I was not able to. Then I started focusing and exploring the online workshops. And today the online workshops are a hit. People are loving them. I am enjoying them. And there are so many miracles they share every day. So, this is how the universe may create blockages so that you look at the alternate possibilities. The next way the universe will answer your prayers is via numbers. You may see the number 555 often, which means positive changes are coming. You may see the number 5848, which means again changes in abundance in a positive way, and the divine is supporting you in terms of your business. You may also see the number 222, which means have faith. When I was in corporate, I used to see the number 279 often, which meant have faith. You are on the right path, however, focus on your life purpose. So this is some of the ways in which the universe answers your prayer. I will be sharing certain videos, link in the description column, which you can see, and there's also a playlist on my channel regarding prosperity. There are many people who have followed those rituals and benefited. If you are guided, you can do the same. So do like and subscribe to this channel if you find the content interesting or useful, and if you think somebody will benefit from this video, do share it with them. Thank you so much. This is Sheetal Sapin Matre. Have a great day ahead.